Evike Swagg Edition Part 2. Today we're going to open up this box and find out what we got from Evike in the Swagg Edition. Let's get into it. This is another order that I made, and I stacked the Swagg Edition in my order. It's $10, and I have no idea what's inside other than my order. I ordered some BBs and stuff like that, but anyway, let's get right to it. Alright, first thing first. I think I got the same thing as last time. And here it is. Alright, let's see what's inside. This is the Swagg Edition. Got no handgun, got no rifle or anything, so I was one of many people that will get this. So, this ain't bad in my opinion for $10. Again, got the little target, metal target here. Some more masks. Woo, I'm so excited about that. Hey, look! Game over, man. I think I'm gonna give this to one of my buddies or whatever. Then, of course, the patch. This one, sorry you can't see that, but it says, "Forget adulting, go airsoft." Cool. Yeah, let's see if we can see that a little better. There we go. And then this is what I ordered. Bearings, 8mm bearings from F.L.T. And this is for my DMR setup because when I ordered Retro Arms Gearbox, I completely forgot to get the bushings for it. So that's what these are for. Motor cage. This is a motor cage for the SLA I got. I did not like that only one side of the cage held up the motor to the gearbox, so I got this one that has two sides to it. So let's see if that fits. Really like these BBs. 0.4 gram Madbull. They shoot very well and consistent in my DMR so far, so I'm going to keep using these. Really got 5,000 rounds of .2s for testing purposes. So yeah, that's it. It's a little anticlimactic, but yeah, there's gonna be more content based on airsoft and RC stuff. So if that's something you're interested in or you like this video, please leave a subscribe and like to my channel. Leave a comment below. And yeah, you guys have a good day and thanks for watching.